It's Elon and I'm back again on another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my soft brush method. This is a method that I started doing recently to add more definition to my hair. Soft brushing adds definition to your hair, and not only does it add definition, but it also distributes the products evenly in your hair. It distributes the products that you add in your hair, and also distributes the natural oils that are already in your hair, because if you didn't know, your hair already has natural oils. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my soft brush method, but first let me unrag and show you guys how I'm looking right now. This is how my waves is looking right now, you guys. Right now I'm currently in 5 weeks wolfing, and I'm gonna get a cut in a few days. But this is what I've been doing to, add definition to my hair and distribute the products evenly. I've been doing the soft brush method. For this method, you're only gonna need a few things. You're gonna need a medium soft brush and your softest brush. What I'm using right now is a TORINO Pro 1556. This is a medium soft brush, so it's a soft brush, but it's a medium soft, so it's gonna add, some pull, because you do want to pull your hair a little bit. So you want to have some pull, and then also lay down your hair, lay down the frizz, and distribute the oils evenly in your hair. So first you want to take this brush, you want to get about a 10-minute session with your medium soft brush, and then you want to add an oil. I'm gonna be using this oil right here, the Wave Essentials Curl Enhancer Oil. This oil has a lot of natural oils inside of it, and to tell you a few, it has black castor oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil. Those are the main ingredients in it, but it also has a few other oils. After you get about a 10-minute session with your medium soft brush, you want to add your oil. And then you want to finish it off with this. It's kind of like a polisher brush. You want to finish it off with your softest brush. This again is a TORINO Pro. I don't know what number this is or what brush, but I just know it's a soft brush, real soft. This is going to distribute the oils evenly and lay down the frizz. And then after you do that, lastly, what you want to do is just plastic bag and then rag up. If you guys have your brush laying around, you can pick up your brush and brush with me. Alright, you guys, that's the end of the video. You see how silky and shiny my hair look? You know, it looks real defined. Definition is there. You know, if you do this method, if you do this soft brush method every night or every single day, if you do this soft brush method every single day, I'm telling you, you guys will see results very quick. This method should take you about half an hour to 45 minutes. I like to spend about 15 minutes on each brush, 15 minutes on the medium soft, add the oil, then spend 15 minutes on the soft brush, and then spend a few minutes on the plastic bag, 5 to 10 minutes on the plastic bag, not too long. And then you just rag up. This method is good for when you're woofing and also on fresh cuts. It's actually better on fresh cuts, but I'm woofing right now and I've been doing this method a little bit for a while, so you know, I just thought I'll just come to you guys with this method real quick. And then I'm about to get a fresh cut in a few days, so I'm gonna keep on doing this method when I get my fresh cut. I'm gonna keep on doing this method and then I'm gonna show you guys more results. But this is a nice method. You could do it every single day, nighttime, morning, afternoon. When I use soft brushes, I like to use it with oils because I like to just, you know, put the oil on my hair, and then like I like to use the soft brush to distribute it, you know, evenly. But it's all up to you guys. You guys could do this method with a moisturizer, with a butter, you know, it don't matter. But me personally, I feel like this method goes better with butters or oils, because butters is mainly made out of oils anyway. You know, they're oil-based products, most of them. So it's better to do this with a butter or an oil. But alright, you guys, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe, you guys. We're on the road to 2K subscribers. Turn on them post notifications so you don't miss another upload. And as always, you guys, stay wavy.